Top 5 tips to become an in-demand blockchain developer. In this tutorial, we are going to share 5 tips to become an in-demand blockchain engineer and help you to get your dream job. I have been working as a full-time blockchain developer since 2020. During this time, I have learned several lessons, but also I faced some challenges. In this video, I will share some of my experience and I'll give you some tips to start a successful career in the world of blockchain technology. The first tip is get a clear understanding of Web3 and blockchain. As part of your journey as a blockchain developer, it is very important to master the fundamentals of Web3 and blockchain technology. Remember that not everyone has a technical or computer science background, so you must be ready to explain these concepts very clear. First, you need to understand the benefits and associated risks of this technology. Some of the most important benefits are decentralization, transparency, security, and efficiency. We should also need to understand its limits and associated risks. Some of these limitations are scalability, regulatory uncertainty, energy consumption, and complexity. Remember, some blockchains struggle with transaction speed and volume. Also, the legal landscape for blockchain and cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Proof of work, the consensus mechanism of Bitcoin, can be energy intensive. And finally, remember that the technology has a steep learning curve for both developers and users. Additionally, we need to understand important concepts such as public and private blockchains, smart contracts, consensus mechanisms, gas fees, and fungible and non-fungible tokens, etc. Also, you are going to need to choose a blockchain platform. Select a blockchain project to focus on based on your interest or market demand. The second tip is choose a career path. This is a bit confusing when you just started your journey, but it is important to set your goals from the beginning. The blockchain field offers various specialized roles. Consider the following options. The first one, smart contract developer. You're going to need to learn Solidity or maybe Rust if you decide to move to Solana, and a good option is also Python. In this career, you're going to be writing, testing, and deploying smart contracts that will automate processes and agreements. Another career is blockchain engineer. In this career, you're going to need more high-level programming languages such as C++, Go, Rust, Solidity, and some knowledge about cryptography and peer-to-peer networking. Some of your main activities will be building and maintaining the core infrastructure of blockchain networks. Your main focus will be the on-chain and off-chain components, not just the smart contracts deployed in the main network. Another very popular career is full-stack Web3 developer. For this career, you're going to need to learn JavaScript, React, Node.js, along with some blockchain-specific technologies. You're going to be creating user-friendly dApps that will interact with blockchain networks. If you are a more senior engineer, you can also develop a career as a blockchain architect. For this career, you're going to need some knowledge about system design, multiple blockchain protocols, and scalability solutions. You're going to be designing large-scale blockchain systems and also solutions for enterprises. The next career is blockchain core engineer. For this path, you're going to need to master C++, Go, Rust, distributed systems, cryptography, and you will be developing and optimizing the core protocols of blockchain nodes. This career is definitely not for beginners. Another interesting career is smart contract auditor. For this career, you will need a deep understanding of smart contract languages, security best practices, and low-level languages. For the Ethereum blockchain, you need to master the Ethereum virtual machine and learn the Joule programming language. You're going to be reviewing and securing smart contracts to prevent vulnerabilities and exploits. To be honest, it's very important that you have some experience developing smart contracts previously. I know some people that become auditors without developing software or smart contracts. I don't think this is very common. So if you have some knowledge or some previous experience creating and developing smart contracts, that is going to help you a lot. Finally, you can create your own project. For this, you're going to need some entrepreneurship skills, also some project management experience, and maybe some technical skills. You need to identify market needs and building innovative blockchain solutions. Don't worry if you don't have technical skills, you can hire developers and build your solution. So this might be a good option if you don't have a technical background. The third tip is to choose a topic and become an expert. Blockchain technology has diverse applications. Consider specializing in one of these areas. You can consider to become an expert on ERC20 tokens, tokenomics, trading, arbitrage, or some advanced concepts such as MEF, flash loans, or arbitrage. You can focus on creating and analyzing token economies, developing trading strategies, and understanding complex concepts such as extractable value or leveraging flash loans and arbitrage opportunities. You can also dive into the world of non-fungible tokens, creating unique digital assets and building platforms for their exchange. A very important area is the world of decentralized finance or DeFi. Explore financial applications built on blockchain such as decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, and yield farming. One of the main problems of Ethereum is scalability, so you need to master layer 2 solutions. You can study scalability solutions like Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, and ZK Sync that aim to improve blockchain performance. Recently, real-world assets has gained a lot of attention. You can work on tokenizing and managing traditional assets like real estate or commodities on the blockchain. As we mentioned previously, you can focus your career on Web3 security and auditing. You can specialize in identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring the safety of blockchain applications and smart contracts. If you don't want to develop software, you can become an expert on infrastructure. Focus on setting up and maintaining blockchain nodes or work with services providers like Alchemy or Infura. Also consider content creation and education. Develop courses, organize events, and create digital products to educate others about blockchain technology. There are a lot of areas where you can become an expert. For instance, I didn't mention about decentralized autonomous organizations or account abstraction systems and many other topics that are very interesting and need true experts. The fourth tip is gain valuable experience. Building practical experience is crucial for success in the blockchain industry. You need to participate in events, join hackathons, attend conferences, and seek internships to apply your skills and connect with industry leaders. Present your ideas in various forums to gain visibility and feedback. Don't forget to create a portfolio. Maintain an active GitHub repository showcasing your projects, especially if you have contributions to open source blockchain initiatives. Remember to promote yourself. Establish a strong presence on professional networks like LinkedIn. Consider creating educational content on platforms like YouTube to demonstrate your expertise. Search for freelance opportunities. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to gain real-world blockchain experience. And don't forget also to apply for jobs. Look for entry-level positions or internships at blockchain companies, startups, or established firms exploring blockchain technology. Finally, the last tip is keep learning. The blockchain space evolves quickly, making continuous learning very important. If you are not a native English speaker, then improve your English skills. English is the primary language for most blockchain documentation and communities. Enhance your proficiency to access a wider range of resources and opportunities. Explore multiple blockchains. Expand your knowledge beyond your comfort zone. Learn about other prominent blockchains like Solana, Polkadot, or Cosmos to broaden your expertise. Finally, take courses. Invest your time and effort in your education through free and paid resources. Some recommended platforms and educators include Alchemy University, Patrick Collins, the platform Eat the Blocks, Dapp University, and of course you can find some courses in DappDojo. In this platform you will find hands-on workshops and courses for becoming a blockchain developer. By following these tips and continuously adapting to the evolving landscape, you will be well positioned to become a successful blockchain developer in 2024 and beyond. Thank you and good luck.